My name is Thorsten Birth and I'm working at Fraunhofer Institute for Factory Operation and Automation IFF in Magdeburg. I'm head of Energy and Resource Efficient Systems, one group in our Energy System and Infrastructure department. We are focusing on R&D in planning and operation of demand-oriented Power-to-X concepts and energy systems, efficiency evaluation and optimization of plants processes by means of key figures and simulation, as well as development and simulation of energy systems and production processes, including resource recovery.
My name is Fabian Giebner and I'm working in the MicroPro company, a microbiological lab. We are focusing both on the assessment of soil and water bodies for the oil and gas industry, but also active in the R&D for sustainable hydrogen and methane production and storage.
We have developed a procedure and reactor system which allows us to produce hydrogen preliminary to the actual methane production. As possible substrates, we already tested the Fletora or likely candidates, ranging from energy crops to waste streams, with high organic load and designed reactors and process control systems by CFD and process simulation tools.
Accordingly, we are looking for partners with either an already existing biogas plant or not yet utilized effluents, which could, for example, originate from the industrious production of sugar, flour or dairy products. But many more are also imaginable.
We are regarding our technology as a supplementation to existing biogas plants, which is a major advantage since there won't be any disruptions for your current workflow. But not only the easy applicability is advantageous, we were furthermore able to show no negative influence on the methane production, but also even an increase of it.
Similarly, for the waste streams, it is not necessary to go out of your way. We imagine just an addition of your usual process, which allows a reduction of the carbon load of hydrogen as a side product.